Hey everybody, Rob here for Southwest Florida Television. This is going to be our Tuesday morning look at the beautiful mile-long stretch of beach at Delnor-Wiggins Pass State Park in North Naples, Florida. And as you can see, it is a glorious Tuesday morning. Beautiful blue sky, plenty of warm Florida sunshine. Right now it's 64 degrees. A little breeze coming out of the northeast. Depending where you are in Southwest Florida today, the temperatures are going to range from mid to upper 80s. Not too shabby, if I do say myself. The water temperature, 78 degrees. The tide on its way in. That water's looking good, feeling great. I wish you were here with me. Hit that share button. Hey, I'd like to give a quick shout out to our friends at Boat Naples. Visit their website, boatnaples.com. Check out all of the awesome tours that they offer. Then give them a call. Ask them about our Southwest Florida Television Sunset Cruise. You have to call that number that you see on your screen there to get on board with us. But it's definitely worth the call. Complimentary beer and wine, a bunch of Irish whiskey sunset toast. BoatNaples.com. Awesome people. Look at that beautiful beach. Calling your name. Hey, a quick reminder, if you're at the beach, if you got your kids and they're making sandcastles and digging holes, please, after you're done with your fun, don't leave those holes behind like this. Please fill them in. Those are not good for our nesting sea turtles. As a matter of fact, if you'd share this video, see this is the thumbnail, look for that on my social media, Facebook, YouTube. Give that video a share. Just help bring awareness. Some people don't realize what's going on. Help us help our sea turtles. Give it a share. I call this park and its beach heaven on earth. My little piece of paradise up in North Naples. I'm sure you agree with me. I'm sure you agree. Still only 2 parking lots open here and no permanent restroom facilities, just porta potties. They are planning on opening parking lots 3 and 4. Don't know what the time frame is for that, but that is the next thing on the list, is opening up additional parking. So what I suggest is that you follow Friends of Delnor-Wiggins Pass State Park on Facebook and also join Friends of Delnor-Wiggins Pass State Park. That way you'll get regularly monthly emails and updates about the park. Plus inside information on all of their fun little celebrations. They're having one next week, April 30th. A picnic on the beach for their members from 6 to 8. So as I have said many, many times, stay positive about the park. Share this video. I want to keep this park in people's faces. Be positive. You know, the buildings, the boardwalks, the concession stand, the beach chairs and umbrellas, those were all nice amenities. But this park was really about this 1 mile stretch of beach right here. And it's still here for you to enjoy. out and take a walk, an early morning walk, and look for Robb. Look for me, the Naples, Florida beach guy. Come say hi. All right, my friends, I got to get back to the live feed of my beach walk, but I couldn't resist taking a little stroll on the beach at Delnor-Wiggins and sharing that with you. Again, hit that share button. Thanks for being a friend. And until next time, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay strong. Tally-ho, everyone, tally-ho. For Southwest Florida Television, I'm Stan. May God bless you, your family, your friends, your fur babies, everything and everyone in your life. And God bless America. God bless our wonderful country. Tally-ho. Tally-ho.